Bonjour, mes amis. France, a country renowned for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and exquisite cuisine, beckons you with open arms. Imagine strolling along the Champs-Élysées, indulging in freshly baked croissants, and immersing yourself in the vibrant French culture. Not only does France offer an unparalleled quality of life, but it also presents a wealth of career opportunities for skilled professionals from around the globe. Whether you're an artist drawn to the bohemian streets of Montmartre, an engineer captivated by cutting-edge technology, or a chef eager to master the art of French gastronomy, France has something special in store for you. The French government recognizes the value of international talent and has streamlined the process of obtaining work visas, making your dream of living and working in France more attainable than ever before. So, if you're ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure, pack your bags, brush up on your French, and let's delve into the world of French work visas. France is a country that truly has it all, from the bustling metropolis of Paris to the sun-kissed beaches of the French Riviera, from the snow-capped peaks of the Alps to the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux. Each region boasts its unique charm and allure, promising an unforgettable experience for every visitor. But France is more than just a pretty face. It's a global leader in industries such as aerospace, fashion, tourism, and technology, attracting some of the brightest minds and most innovative companies in the world. As a result, France offers a dynamic and competitive job market with opportunities for growth and advancement. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, France is a country that can help you reach your full potential. Securing a French work visa is the gateway to unlocking a world of possibilities in France. The process may seem daunting at first, but with the right information and preparation, it can be a smooth and successful journey. The first step is to determine which type of French work visa best suits your individual circumstances. France offers a range of work visas tailored to different professions, skill levels, and lengths of stay. Some of the most common types of French work visas include short-stay work visa, ideal for temporary assignments or projects lasting less than 90 days. Long-stay work visa, equivalent to a residence permit, VLSTS. This visa is designed for individuals planning to work in France for more than 90 days. Talent passport visa. This visa caters to highly skilled professionals, researchers, and entrepreneurs seeking to contribute to the French economy. Seasonal worker visa, suitable for individuals employed in seasonal industries such as agriculture, tourism, and hospitality. For the purpose of this guide, we will focus on the long-stay work visa equivalent to a residence permit, VLSTS, as it is the most common type of work visa for individuals seeking long-term employment in France. The long-stay work visa, VLSTS, serves as both a visa and a residence permit, allowing you to live and work in France for the duration specified on the visa. It's important to note that the VLSTS is typically issued for 1 year and can be renewed upon expiry, provided you continue to meet the eligibility criteria. Now that you have a better understanding of the different types of French work visas available, let's dive deeper into the eligibility requirements and application process for the long-stay work visa, VLSTS. Before you begin the application process for the long-stay work visa, VLSTS, it's crucial to determine whether you meet the eligibility criteria set forth by the French authorities. Meeting these requirements is essential for a successful visa application. Here's a breakdown of the key eligibility criteria for the long-stay work visa. Valid passport. You must possess a passport valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in France. Job offer. You must have secured a job offer from a French company that is registered with the French labor authorities, DirecTE. The job offer should clearly outline your position, salary, and employment contract duration. Qualifications and experience. Your qualifications and experience should align with the requirements of the job offer. You may be required to provide educational transcripts, professional certifications, or letters of recommendation to substantiate your skills and expertise. Financial sufficiency. You must demonstrate that you have sufficient financial resources to support yourself during your stay in France. This can be proven through bank statements, pay stubs, or a letter of financial guarantee from your employer. Clear criminal record. You must have a clean criminal record and may be asked to provide a police certificate from your home country as proof of good character. Health insurance. You must have comprehensive health insurance coverage that is valid in France for the duration of your stay. It's important to note that these are just the general eligibility criteria for the long-stay work visa. Specific requirements may vary depending on your nationality, profession, and the nature of your employment in France. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult with the French embassy or consulate in your home country for the most up-to-date and accurate information. If you meet all the eligibility criteria, congratulations, you're one step closer to realizing your French dream. Now let's explore how to secure that coveted job offer in France. Section 4. Securing your dream job in France. Finding a job in France requires a proactive and strategic approach. While it's possible to land a job from your home country, it's generally advisable to be present in France, at least for a portion of your job search. This allows you to attend job fairs, network with industry professionals, and have face-to-face interviews with potential employers. Here are some effective strategies for securing your dream job in France. Network. Tap into your professional and personal networks to connect with individuals who have experience working in France or have contacts in your desired industry. Online job boards. Utilize popular online job boards such as Indeed France, APEC, Agence pour l'Emploi des Cadres, and LinkedIn to search for job openings in your field. Company websites. Visit the websites of companies you're interested in and check their careers sections for current job openings. Recruitment agencies. Consider partnering with reputable recruitment agencies specializing in placing foreign nationals in French companies. Language skills. While English is widely spoken in international companies, having a good command of the French language will significantly enhance your job prospects, especially if you're targeting positions in French-speaking environments. Once you've secured a job offer, it's essential to review the employment contract carefully with your potential employer. Pay close attention to the salary, benefits, working hours, and contract duration. If everything meets your expectations, sign the contract, as this document is crucial for your visa application. With a signed job offer in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step, gathering the necessary documents for your visa application. Section 5. Gathering your visa application essentials. The French visa application process requires meticulous attention to detail and the submission of a comprehensive set of supporting documents. These documents serve as evidence to support your visa application and demonstrate your eligibility for the long-stay work visa. Here's a checklist of the essential documents you'll need to gather. Visa application form. Download and complete the long-stay work visa application form from the website of the French embassy or consulate in your home country. Passport photos. Provide 2 recent passport-sized photos that meet the specific requirements outlined by the French authorities. Passport. Submit your original passport, which must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in France. Include photocopies of all visa pages and entry-exit stamps from previous travels. Job offer and employment contract. Include a signed copy of your job offer and employment contract from your French employer. Educational and professional qualifications. Provide certified copies of your educational transcripts, diplomas, professional certifications, and any other documents that validate your skills and experience. Financial proof. Demonstrate your financial sufficiency through bank statements, pay stubs, or a letter of financial guarantee from your employer. Ensure that your financial documentation meets the minimum income requirements set by the French government. Accommodation proof. Provide proof of your accommodation arrangements in France, such as a hotel reservation, rental agreement, or letter of invitation from a host. Travel insurance. Submit proof of comprehensive travel insurance that covers medical expenses, repatriation, and other unforeseen events during your stay in France. Visa application fee. Pay the applicable visa application fee, which varies depending on your nationality. It's crucial to note that all documents not originally in French must be translated into French by a certified translator. Additionally, you may be required to provide additional documents depending on your nationality, profession, and individual circumstances. The French authorities are rigorous in their document verification process, so it's essential to ensure that all documents are complete, accurate, and submitted in the prescribed format. Any discrepancies or missing documents can result in delays or even rejection of your visa application.